Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about the store is effing closed now. Customer orders replacement for incorrect DoorDash order, but it's completely wrong again. So as we all know that there are times when the DoorDash orders that we deliver, while we cannot control the accuracy of the order, doesn't mean that the customer is getting the right order 100% of the time. Whether that is the customer actually ordering the right order or the restaurant just doing the wrong order altogether. But with that said, I want to go over what this customer is saying, how it actually is for DoorDash drivers, customers, gig workers, restaurants, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A TikToker recently went viral after sharing an unfortunate story about receiving 2 incorrect orders from food delivery service DoorDash in one night. That's gotta suck. Like, you get the wrong order, you do what you have to get the right order, and then they send the wrong order a second time. Like, how do you screw that up? And that's not even the DoorDash driver's fault. That's the restaurant's fault for not following through on their end. In the video, user Caitlynraee at Caitlynraee explains that she's seen a discount for her favorite meal at Lemonade and decided to place an order through DoorDash. Little did the TikToker know she would not be receiving her favorite meal that day. I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. I'm dying for lemonade. Caitlyn says in the video, referring to the Los Angeles-based restaurant, not the beverage. They're having a sale on DoorDash right now where if you spend $20, you get $12 off. An $8 meal is one of my favorite meals ever. F yeah, I'm going to order it on DoorDash. Yeah, you see, usually those orders on DoorDash or UberEats, the ones that have a really big discount like that, they're actually awesome to use. Like, those are the times where I'm just like, all right, I kind of see why you would use the platform for that reason. Because otherwise the upcharges and everything else are a little ridiculous. Like, sometimes on Uber Eats, they'll have 40% off an order, and I'd be like, heck yeah, I would definitely do that. But otherwise, I wouldn't be using the platform myself. However, when the order arrived, Caitlyn says the ingredients were all wrong. I opened the package and it's the complete wrong order, she claims. I ordered a bowl of pineapple chicken, broccoli, and truffle mac and cheese. And what comes to my door? Whatever concoction this is, plus an extra side of mashed potatoes and chips. The TikToker as she displayed the food on camera. Yeah, I think that's one of the major risks you take when you order on any of these platforms. You're not there to make sure that the order is right. Like, you don't know who's actually working on your order. Is it a competent person who could do their freaking job? Or are they somebody who they had to hire because their pay is low and no one else is taking the job right now, especially in this economy. Don't even get me started. In the video, Caitlyn says she contacted DoorDash to complain about the mistake, and the company offered her $25 in credits as compensation, which she then used to place the same exact order. Unfortunately, when the second order arrived, she says it was once again completely wrong. Okay, so this is a controversial opinion of mine, but if you know that they're going to screw up your order once, why would you order from them again, knowing that the same people who messed up your order the first time are going to mess it up the second time? I feel like that's on you for that one. I would have taken the $25 in credits and put them somewhere else. I get my second delivery from Lemonade, and this time, it's this. Caitlyn says while holding up the plastic container from the restaurant, and you know what the best part is? The store is effing closed now. Yeah, that's what happens when you order towards the end of the day. You risk that you can't make any kind of corrections because the store closes. The video quickly went viral, receiving over 173,000 views in one day. Viewers went to the comment section to express their own dissatisfaction with DoorDash. The things you do for content, huh? DoorDash literally did this to me today and I cried, one commenter said. Okay, let's get this straight. It's not DoorDash screwing that up. Yes, they're the ones delivering this and they should be compensating you because they took your payment and all that good stuff, fine. But that's not the problem of DoorDash. That's the problem of the restaurant not following through on their end. This has happened to me multiple times, but with California Pizza Kitchen in NYC, another user shared. Why are you going to California Pizza Kitchen in in New York City. That doesn't even make any sense. You're in New York City with the best pizza in America, in the planet, and you're sitting there trying to order California Pizza Kitchen in New York City? That doesn't even make any sense. I want to say you deserve that because you ordered California Pizza Kitchen in New York City, but no one really deserves that. This has happened to me, but on the second time, DoorDash refused to give me credit, so I said, whatever, I ordered the next day, and it was wrong again, a third row. Now, you see, that's just being a glutton for punishment. Like, you're doing that to yourself at that point. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you paid me. There you go. Here's the reality about customers like this, orders like this, etc., etc., etc. Yes, it is 100% wrong that the restaurant screwed up your order, but it's just as much your fault for falling for it a second time. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. You're not only screwing it up once, you're screwing it up multiple times. That last guy was 3 times. Look, I understand if somebody likes a specific restaurant. I will tell you, I have certain loyalty for restaurants due to their quality and their ability to follow through, but you're not even going for them for that side. You're just ordering them because you love the restaurant, but you know that they're screwing up your order left, right, and center, so why don't you just, move on from that place and then try it a different day, or go there yourself and make sure that it's right. Be on them for that. I don't like the idea that there was one guy down here that blamed DoorDash for this issue, but the fact of the matter is, yes, they're the ones that they're delivering the food, but we have no control over the accuracy of your order. The restaurant is the fault of the accuracy. That's why there's so much headache as the gig worker, as the restaurant, as the company. We know that is the responsibility of the restaurant, and we can't really say anything as the gig worker. We are not permitted to check the accuracy of the order. It's a health violation. There's a lot of things that go into it. It would risk our account, a long list of things. That being said, they should be getting some sort of accuracy done on their side. All in all, until a proper solution is made by all parties involved, I would say don't fall for the same thing twice. If they didn't do it the first time, they're not going to do it right the second time. At least that day. Wait for them to get a change of staff, and then maybe you could try it again. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!